In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Airtable, whether you're organizing a project, managing a database, or just need a simple way to categorize your entries. Adding tags can be a game changer in terms of efficiency and organization. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to navigate over to Airtable's website. If you've ever wanted a platform that can build next-generation apps, look no further than Airtable. It's incredibly versatile, and today we're going to make it even more powerful with the addition of tags. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Your projects and bases are just a few clicks away. Having signed in, you'll be directed to your Airtable home. This is where you can see all your bases and workspaces. It's a centralized area that lets you keep track of everything you're working on or need access to. From here, identify the base you'd like to add tags to. Click on it to enter the base view. Now that you're within your chosen base, you need to look for the Add Field option. This is often visible near the top of each column in your table. Click on it and a drop-down menu with various field types will appear. This is where you can define what kind of data you'll input. From the drop-down menu, choose the URL option. This might seem counterintuitive when we're talking about tags, but bear with me as it's a simple method to set up dynamic content or use hyperlinks as tags. Now when prompted, go ahead and type in tag as the name of your new field. Naming your field is crucial. It should be straightforward and specific to ensure consistency across your database. With your field name set, click on the Create Field button to finalize this new addition. And there you have it, a new column for tags ready for you to populate. You can now input any tags you'd like associated with your entries, making it easier to categorize and sort through your data. Adding tags in Airtable streamlines your workflow by allowing quick searches and dynamic organization. Remember, tags make it easier not only for you to find what you need, but also for your team to maintain a consistent understanding of the data structure. I hope this walkthrough has made the process of adding tags on Airtable clear and straightforward. By following these steps, you can greatly enhance how you manage and interact with your data. Give it a try and experience a new level of organization with Airtable. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.